To create an online banking account for eFirstbank, start by opening your web browser and navigating to www.efirstbank.com. Once the page loads, you will see a login section on the left-hand side where you can enter your user ID and password to access your account. However, if you're looking to create a new account, click on the Sign Up link located below. This will direct you to a page where you can choose the type of account you want to open. If you don't have an existing account with Firstbank, follow the steps provided to open a new one. If you are an existing Firstbank customer, select the option to create an online account and proceed with the activation process. You will be prompted to provide your first name, last name, date of birth, and either your social security number or account number. Additionally, you will need to enter the last 8 digits of your ATM or Visa check card. After completing these steps, follow the instructions on the subsequent pages to finalize the creation of your online banking account. By doing so, you will be able to access and manage your account online.